I have a problem, and it has to do with the width of this machine. Specifically, the 48-inch mower deck. You see, I don't have a door to the backyard that's wide enough for the Bolens to fit through. So as of right now, I actually can't use it to mow my lawn. However, this section of the fence sits in between the backyard and the trailer parking on my property, and it's plenty wide to fit a lawnmower through. So, let's build a gate real quick. Okay, now that we have a gate, we can move the mower to the backyard. The brakes on this aren't the best, so I'm taking it slow. Plus, it's been on and off again raining for a while, so the ground is a little wet still. Hopefully that's not a problem when I'm mowing. There are also some random rocks in the property that I have to be careful of. The grass being wet was definitely a problem while I was mowing. And the rocks I was supposed to watch out for? Well, I hit one and it definitely broke something. We have to take off this mower deck and see what's going on. I hate these cotter pins. I ended up replacing these with some lynch pins because they're much easier to deal with. The arm was not budging, but a few taps from a hammer and it was out. And then I did the same for the other side. The mower deck connects to the tractor with two arms, one set on each side, that hook into a lifting pin. When that pin swings up or down, it raises or lowers the entire deck. Well, here's the problem. One of the two bolts that holds on the blade broke. And the bolt hole is stripped out, which makes this a lot more difficult. Now, I could buy a new shaft assembly, but they aren't cheap. And I know, ideally the safest fix would just be replacing the shaft assembly altogether, since it spins at a very high speed and you never want to risk a blade coming loose. But since there was still plenty of solid metal left on the plate, I ended up deciding to drill and tap it to the next bolt size, which I think will work. The blade went on smoothly and everything tightened down nicely. Now let's just reattach this mower deck. Okay, I need longer boards to get the tires over the deck. Okay, moment of truth. I pointed the mouth of the mower deck away from the house just in case. And it looks like we're back in business. Now this mower deck needs to be taken apart, looked over, and definitely cleaned up. But that seems like a project for summertime when I can't mow the lawn anyway. So until then, I'll see you in the next video.